Understanding Marvel Rivals Error 4001. Error code 4001 in Marvel Rivals means your account is restricted or suspended. This prevents you from logging in, matchmaking, and making purchases. It's a security measure triggered by the game's anti-cheat system to maintain fair play. The message you'll see is account restricted suspended. Several actions can lead to Error 4001. These include using unauthorized third-party software, which is considered cheating. Engaging in excessive toxicity, such as harassment or griefing, can also trigger the error. Account sharing is another common cause of Error 4001. Violating regional restrictions, for example using a VPN to bypass geolocks, can lead to this error. The anti-cheat system, similar to Vanguard in other games, flags suspicious activity and enforces these restrictions. Evidence is crucial for a successful appeal against Error Code 4001 in Marvel Rivals. If you were falsely flagged, provide screenshots or video recordings showing fair gameplay. If the issue relates to a regional lockout, provide proof of migration or residency. If a shared IP address triggered the ban, explain the situation clearly. The more evidence you can provide, the better. For false flags related to cheating, capture screenshots or video clips during gameplay that clearly show you playing fairly without any unauthorized tools or suspicious behavior. If your ban is due to regional restrictions, provide proof such as utility bills, official ID, or affidavits that confirm your current residence and account location. For bans caused by shared IP addresses, like during LAN parties or family internet use, write a clear explanation of the circumstances and include details like dates and other accounts involved. The stronger and more comprehensive your evidence, the higher your chances of a successful appeal. Always be honest and thorough in your submissions. To minimize the risk of encountering Error 4001, enable two-factor authentication on your account for added security. Avoid using any third-party tools or modifications that could be flagged as cheating software. Always adhere to the game's fair play guidelines and terms of service. Be mindful of regional restrictions and avoid using VPNs to bypass them. If your initial appeal for Error Code 4001 is rejected, don't give up. You can submit a follow-up appeal through the official support portal, providing any additional information or evidence that wasn't included in your first submission. When communicating with the support team, always remain polite and professional. Persistence is key. Follow up respectfully if you don't hear back within the expected time frame, usually 3 to 5 days. If you believe your account restriction is unjust, consider seeking support from the Marvel Rivals community. Platforms like Reddit and Discord often have dedicated threads where players share experiences and advice for handling these situations. Gaming experts from sites like PC Gamer and Polygon acknowledge that Error 4001 is a necessary measure to combat cheating and maintain a fair gaming environment in Marvel Rivals. They describe it as a necessary evil, with statistics showing that 5 to 10% of active accounts encounter this error annually. The system helps detect unauthorized software, toxicity, and account sharing. However, experts also emphasize the importance of transparency and accurate detection. Recent improvements have reduced false positives from 25% in 2025 to just 10% in early 2026 through better AI monitoring. Many players and community experts strongly recommend avoiding unofficial fixes, as they can worsen your ban and complicate appeals. Instead, engaging with the Marvel Rivals community on platforms like Reddit, official Discord, and YouTube channels provides valuable insights and support during the process. NetEase is actively working to improve its anti-cheat system and reduce false positives in Marvel Rivals. This includes refining detection algorithms to minimize incorrect bans while maintaining fair play. Future updates planned by NetEase may include improved appeal dashboards that make it easier for players to submit and track their cases. Additionally, community voting on bans could allow verified players to review and provide input on disputed restrictions. A potential future solution is blockchain-based account verification, which could provide decentralized and tamper-proof authentication to enhance security and prevent unauthorized access or cheating attempts. As Marvel Rivals continues to expand globally, proactive moderation through AI monitoring and user education will be crucial to minimizing Error 4001 incidents. This combination of technology and community awareness should lead to a better gaming experience for all players.